There is a new development in the case of 9-year-old Michaela Garecht. She is the girl who disappeared in Hayward back in 1988 and is presumed to have been killed. Court records show new Alameda County DA Pamela has thrown out special circumstances against the man accused of killing Michaela and 2 women. Our crime reporter Henry Lee here now with the latest. Henry.
Well, Julie, Pamela Price, a civil rights attorney turned DA, promised to reform the criminal justice system. Now, in removing special circumstances, this defendant will no longer face life without parole if convicted of 3 murders. And now some wonder whether she's gone too far.
David Mish, already a convicted killer, is awaiting trial on charges he kidnapped and killed 9-year-old Michaela Garecht from a Hayward market back in 1988, as well as for allegedly killing 2 women in Fremont 2 years earlier. But I've learned Alameda County DA Pamela Price, just a week after taking office, has dropped all special circumstances in the 3 killings. Those enhancements were lodged by her predecessor, Nancy O'Malley. This means if convicted of 3 counts of murder, Mish will no longer face life in prison without parole or the death penalty, which is already on hold in California.
Well, it's a complete and total betrayal.
Child safety advocate Mark Klass's daughter, Polly, was kidnapped in Petaluma and killed in 1993.
What is it exactly you're getting when you elect officials that advocate on behalf of wanton criminals and people that murder children and women?
Mish's defense attorney, Ernie Castillo, tells me his client is not guilty of the 3 killings. In a statement, Castillo said in part, each case relies heavily on questionable forensic tactics. Her decision doesn't surprise me. In fact, it acknowledges the weaknesses in their cases. Michaela's body has not been found. Critics say tossing the special circumstances also removes leverage the DA could have had in trying to find her remains. Retired Fremont Police Lieutenant Chuck Euler was the lead detective in the 1986 killings of the 2 women.
I think there are exceptions to every rule, and if anybody ever deserved maximum punishments, it's David Mish.
This is reckless. This is stunning to me.
KTVU legal analyst Michael Cardoza says it's not a good idea for a DA to take any punishment off the table from the get-go, especially when Michaela's body hasn't been found.
It could be a bargaining chip for later. This is the poster case for putting someone in prison forever to keep him away from society.
Now, I've reached out to DA Pamela Price, but have yet to hear back. If convicted, the defendant could potentially face 75 years to life in prison, which comes with the possibility of parole. Julie?
Yeah, Michaela's mother has since passed away, Henry. Has there been any response from any of the family members for Michaela or the other 2 women?
Through an intermediary, I did reach out to Michaela's siblings, but they have not. They're declining to comment this time.
All right. Henry Lee reporting live in the newsroom for us tonight. Henry, thank you.